Tell you now about the use of adjective in English. It is also very important because it makes your sentences better. Now I have used the word better. I'll tell you how to use that also and when to use. First of all, let us understand the different types. Broadly, there are three different types of adjective. One is related to the quality of things. This pen is good. This pen is good. That pen is bad. Then we say about the quality of things. This class is nice. Then it is about the quality. The teacher is nice. Then we talk about the quality of teaching. Right? This classroom is big. When you can define that, quality is clear. The board is small. Then we say it is small. The mobile is small. The TV is big. Right? It is about big and small. Again, quality. Tall. The boy is tall. The girl is short. That way. Right? So this is about the quality of adjective. The second is when you can count the numbers, then you will use the adjective of numbers, quantity. There are 5 students in the class. There are 100 chairs in the class. I have a 500 rupee in my pocket. So when you can count it, how many are there, then you use the adjective of number. It helps you to make your sentences better. Correct? Now, think about the third type. The third type is about how much you have. How much, where you cannot count. But there are numbers which you have to say without counting. How much knowledge you have? Can you count the knowledge? No. Then you will not say how many knowledge you have. No. Many that you can count. How many chairs, how many tables, how many people, you can count that. But much is you cannot count. How much knowledge you have? The other example is some. He has some information. She has little information. Or she has no information. So these are the quantity but you cannot count. Other example is few. There are few students in the class. There are few students which you can count, but it is difficult. He has few things with him in the home. So things when you do not want to count or it is uncountable, then you use few there also. He has many friends on Facebook. He has many friends in his circle. He has many members in his family. Then we use many. I have used much. He has so much knowledge, or he has too much knowledge also, you can say. He has much knowledge. There is much water in the sea. There is less water in the river. All of this. He has lot of money. He has lot of information. So these are the things which you cannot clearly count, but you would like to say. So those are all adjectives. There are many different types of adjectives, but this is the basic level. Start to make use of it and your English will be better. Now we go to the other part of adjective, which is degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. When you compare one thing with other things. First level is positive. When you compare two things, it becomes comparative. When you compare more than two things, it is superlative. For example, this is a nice pen, or this is a good pen. This is a good pen. Okay? Now I bring another pen. The red pen is better than the black pen. Now I am using better, comparative. This is a good pen. the black pen is good, but I'm using conjunction now, but the red pen is better than the black pen. So when we compare two things, we'll use the comparative words. So good, better, and superlative is best. When we use better, then we use than at the end. The red pen is better than the black pen. Just remember that in comparison. Now I bring in the third pen. I bring in the third pen. This is the best pen. This is the best pen of the three. This is the best pen. So before superlative you use the best pen. We take another example and then it will be clear. Tall, taller, tallest. He is a tall man, or Ram is tall. Mohan is taller than Ram. Shyam is the tallest. Correct? So these are the ways to make sentences with comparative. Your sentences will be better and you can express clearly. The next word is small, smaller, smallest. Small. The bottle is small. Correct? The bottle is small. The mobile is smaller than the bottle. Correct? And the pin is the smallest. The bottle is small. The mobile is smaller than the bottle. The pin is the smallest. So this is the way to make sentences. Now we take the last example. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Sita is beautiful. Geeta is more beautiful than Sita. Aishwarya is the most beautiful girl. Now you see, this is the way to use adjective and make comparisons also. Keep watching Margdarshi Skills Academy's video and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.